everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys. Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Today we're going to be reviewing Caitlyn hair. I had never heard of this company, but it is on Amazon, and as always, links will be posted in the description box. So if you're interested in purchasing this hair, hit up the description box. So they have the hair in here and a little cute little thank you card, and also a wig cap in the box. Always need that. So let's take a look at this hair to see what we're working with. It is an 18-inch, 180% density, kinky curly wig. It is not a full frontal. It does have a lace closure. So I would only be able to part it in the middle or slightly on the side. I would not be able to do like a deep part, or I would definitely not be able to wear it like all back or anything like that. So let's look at this hair. It was definitely very soft. It did not have a weird smell or anything like that. But it looked really good. It looked really, really good though. Like, shake it out a little bit. And of course it's kinky curly, so it is going to be kind of poofy, but we're going to go ahead and wash this hair so we can see what it looks like when it's wet. Let's take a look on the inside. It does have 3 combs, as a comb on each side, a comb in the middle, and also a comb in the back. And also, as you can see, there are adjustable straps as well. Okay. It is a regular cap size. So if you have a regular size head, it will fit you. But we're gonna go ahead and wash this hair. I wanted to show you how it looked after I washed it. This is after I washed it, and the curls were just so beautiful. Like, I can just brush through it. It was not tangled. Barely any shedding. Like, I thought that was some gorgeous hair. This is how it looked after it dried. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it to see what it looks like on my head. So but first, I am definitely going to get this lace together. I did not want to bleach the knot, so I'm going to go ahead and use my lace tint spray and go ahead and spray this on here and let it dry. This is also by Even. It's in the color medium brown. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on to see how it fits. It was definitely nice and snug on my head. I did go ahead and utilize the comb. Usually I apply an elastic band. I probably will eventually, just to make sure that it's extra secure, but for now I just decided to go ahead and use the combs. Usually I don't use the combs, but just because I just didn't feel like doing the elastic band thing today. So I'm just going to utilize the combs. So I secured the comb in the back as well as the combs on the side. So yeah, so it looks pretty good on my head. It's nice and snug, fits pretty good. It's not too tight, but I feel like it's not going anywhere. It's nice and secure. So we have this piece of lace here. We're going to go ahead and get that cut off. And then we're also going to, I think I want to do a side part. The last review I did on some curly hair, I did a middle part. So I think I want to try a side part for this particular hair. Now with this hair, because it is not a full frontal, of course I can only part it slightly to the side. You can tell by the lace how much room I have to really part it. So I can't really do a deep part like I normally do. So yeah, we're just going to do a small side part. So I'm going to go ahead and get this hair together, and I'm going to cut this lace off so that we can see what we're working with here. So this is how it looks with the lace cut off. I think I'm going to go ahead and use my Got2b to kind of secure it down, and then we're going to try to do some baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not good with baby hairs, but we're going to make it do what it do, okay? With or without them. Y'all keep watching. If you haven't done so, go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. So I'm not done, y'all. I don't have it exactly the way I want it, but I'm going to go ahead and get this hair laid. So I've got my wax stick. I'm just applying it, and then I'm going to get my hot comb and go through it with my hot comb to get these roots flat so it can have more of a natural look to it. Of course, it's going to look straight, but we are going to bring that curl back later on. But I like to do this just so it doesn't look like too big. Like the hair is already poofy because it's that kinky curly, but I don't want my roots to be like really thick and poofy and things like that. I want my roots to be kind of more flat and then have the curly look. So we're just pressing out these roots, and then I'm going to go ahead and part it the way that I want to part it, and then I'm going to bring the curl back. Okay, so now that I have gotten this part together, I'm going to go ahead and bring these curls back. I have my spray bottle here, nothing but water in here just to bring these curls back. And as you can see, it is coming back so easily, and they're coming back gorgeous, like real gorgeous. So that's something, if that was something that you were concerned about, is how, these curls were going to come back after, having the hot comb to it. As you can see, with no problem. And there's nothing but water in there, nothing but water. I am going to add some more product later on to define the curls and kind of hold the curls so they will last and not, get frizzy and everything like that. But yes, this is nothing but water. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep spraying until I get it the way that I want to get it. Of course, if you want it to have more of a kinky look and more of a poofy look, then you don't have to add as much water. Okay, so now that we have brought these curls back, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fruitics Curling Spray. This is just to enhance the curls and define them even more. I'm just going to spray this throughout the hair and spread it with my fingers, use my fingertips to just kind of move that product in throughout the hair. And then I'm going to go on top of it with my Garnier Fruitics, girl, listen, I'm having a hard time saying the word, the mousse, the curling mousse, just to set everything and hold it so that the curls don't get frizzy. And with this being the kinky curly hair, the ends will have the tendency to look a little bit more kinky, like I said, kinky and maybe dry looking. So definitely you want to use a little bit more product and show a little bit more love to them ends so that they can curl up a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and define this part a little bit more with my brush and a little bit of my concealer. This is my concealer that I just use for my makeup. It's Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Fawn, and it defined this part very well and matched my skin tone perfectly so that the part can look very natural. Look, I don't even have to bleach the knots. Y'all, I be getting sick of bleaching knots. Like, seriously, I'm over bleaching knots. That Eden spray, lace spray has been bomb in my life. Listen, it has been working wonders in my life, and I haven't had to add anything else. So, yes, honey. So this is it, y'all. Y'all like that? I like that. This is nice. I like this hair. I am so excited about this hair. Like, I've been wanting me some more curly hair. And yes, I love this. I like the density of it. I love the curl. I love how it's manageable. I love how lightweight it is. You know, I love how I can wear the wet look, or I can, let it dry and wear it big and poofy. I'm wearing it now, and I decided to do a middle part, and I have it nice and poofy, and I love it. Super cute. This worked out perfectly for me, and yes, so this definitely, this hair gets 10 stars for me. 5 stars, I guess you would say. 5 stars, right? It's usually out of 5. But yes, this hair is super cute. I love it. The length was perfect. Again, the length is 18 inches. And it was perfect for me. It's not too long, but it's not like super short either. So yes. So this is the hair. Of course, the information will be listed in the description box. If you're interested in purchasing the hair, make sure you guys follow me on IG. It is listed in the description box as well. And also, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on. And if you like this video, share this video. It might be somebody else who wants them, get them some hair. Okay. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I am loving this hair. I'm definitely going to be wearing this for a while. And yes, y'all stay tuned to see more videos from me, and thank y'all so much for watching.